Living an eco-friendly lifestyle without sacrificing comfort is easy with the new Panasonic Inverter air conditioner with EcoNavi. EcoNavi can detect people and automatically adjust to activity levels to reduce energy waste. For example, it can detect the family and how active they are. As they settle down and relax, EcoNavi detects this and will raise the set temperature. When only one person remains, EcoNavi detects this too and adjusts the airflow to that person instead of to the whole room. And finally, EcoNavi can also detect when no one is around. It will gradually raise the temperature to reduce energy waste. Imagine if millions of people switched to Panasonic. We can surely help reverse global warming and help make the world a better place.